Okay, so now let's finish it off. And you might be starting to see in the middle what looks like a star. So the key to making this star is that there are these equilateral triangles. There are four of them overlapping, and you kind of need to see how these are formed by these dotted lines. And what I'm going to do is start to fill these in, and I'm going to go over this with a darker pen. So here's one. I'm going to go here, and then here's the base of it. And once you see the first one, the other ones will start to become more clear. Okay, there's one. And then here's the next one, starts here and comes down to here. Okay. And so there are four triangles, and each of those has three corners, three vertices, obviously. So this is going to be a 12-pointed star when we're finished. All right, so there we've got three, and then here's the last one. It's up here. And it can take a minute to see them. This is not the easiest step, but you just want to be careful and patient, and you will get there. Okay. So now we have a 12-pointed star in the middle. And for the Orosi glass design, it's really crucial to see how this 12-pointed star is broken up. So I'm going to put a piece of tracing paper over here. And what we have are these sort of diamond shapes, and there are 12 of them. So I'm going to color in a couple of them so you can start to see them. One thing that's a little bit tricky about this design is there are a lot of overlapping lines that you're not necessarily going to use. There's also a lot of possibilities for making other lines and other shapes in here by connecting additional pairs of vertices. You just want to be careful that anything you do it symmetrically. So you do it with all of the vertices or with all of the corresponding pairs of vertices. So here you can see that this star in the middle is made up of 12 of these sort of elongated diamond shapes like this. And you can go around and you can color these. You could use 2 colors or 3 colors or 12 different colors if you wanted, however you wanted to do it. Then what you're going to need to do is decide what you want to do to embellish it using various shapes around the outside. The important thing is that whatever you do, it has rotational symmetry. So like if you wanted to use this triangle, for example, well, you have 5 more of them, and you want to make sure that you use all of them in kind of the same way. All right, so go ahead and get started with this, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you do.